Hey everyone, Ken Davis from Acme Tools, and I'm back with your grill buying guide. The first thing I want to talk about with you are the three different types of fuel that you're commonly going to use on a grill. Typically you have propane, natural gas, or charcoal. The main two being natural gas and propane. Now there's some advantages and disadvantages to both sides. With propane, you have to constantly run and refill your 20-gallon tank, but it also gives you the mobility that you want with the grill to be able to take it to different locations. When you use natural gas, you're able to plumb it directly into your house. This saves you a little bit of money, but it also kills the mobility of the grill. And of course, we have the classic charcoal. Charcoal is very easy to use, but it's more difficult to control and maintain your temperature. Now, if one of those three options doesn't suit your needs, we also have electric grills available. After you've determined what type of fuel you want to use, you want to look at the size of the grill. Are you an outdoorsy person and do mostly camping and on-the-move projects? This is going to be something that's going to suit your size very nice. This is going to be the Weber Q series with a single burner on it. Now, if you want something to be more around the home, something like this Weber Spirit series with 3 burners is going to cook for the whole family. But if you like to host a lot of parties, something in the Weber GENISIS series with 4 burners is going to be where you want to be at. And of course, our traditional charcoal style is going to suit the family needs as well. Now, it is important to keep in mind that as you go up in the burner amount, you're also going to go up in your fuel consumption. Now, all of these natural gas and propane grills are going to run off of a battery-operated spark igniter. Heat distribution is going to be one of the important things to look at. Now, we have 2 different types of grills. We have infrared heat or direct heat. All of these are going to come with a flame taming device that sits over your burner to evenly distribute the heat. With the larger grill, you're able to do more indirect cooking. And all the grills are going to have a built-in grease trap on the bottom so you can easily dispose of your excess grease and also keep from starting a fire. Now, one of the most common things that you'll find is grills either have cast iron or stainless steel grates on them. Now, these are 2 very important different features. Stainless steel is going to mean a longer lasting grill surface, but it also retains less heat. Cast iron is going to wear away on you, but it's going to retain that heat much better. Storage is another great option to take a peek at. All the grills I have with me today are going to have open storage, but an awesome option is also enclosed storage. With these models, you're going to be able to store your Weber accessories right underneath in a safe place. It's important that if you want your grill to stand the true test of time, that you purchase a cover and use it. If you like this video, check out our blog for more great grill tips. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, always do your best work.